Hello, tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have a tiny yet powerful gadget that's sure to improve your Wi-Fi experience. It's the TP-Link Nano AC600 USB Wi-Fi adapter, also known as the Archer T2U Nano. Stay tuned as we explore how this little device can make a big difference in your connectivity. First things first, let's talk about size. The TP-Link Archer T2U Nano is as compact as it gets. It's a nano-sized wireless dual-band USB Wi-Fi adapter, but don't let its size fool you. This little powerhouse is designed to provide fast and high-speed Wi-Fi connections. One of the standout features of this adapter is its strong 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz connections, which allow you to enjoy the internet without any lag. Whether you're streaming HD videos or engaging in online gaming, you can count on a smooth and uninterrupted experience. The sleek and miniature design of the Archer T2U Nano makes it incredibly user-friendly. You can plug it into any USB port and leave it there. It's the perfect solution for those who are constantly on the move or for home use. Once it's in, you can forget about it while it works its magic. Now, let's talk about compatibility. This network transceiver supports a wide range of operating systems, including Windows 11, 10, 8.1, 8, 7, and even XP, as well as Mac OS by 10.9 to 10.14. Keep in mind that driver installation may be required, but you can always visit the TP-Link website to get the latest drivers for your operating system. The Archer T2U Nano is all about better connections. It offers 433 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band, which is perfect for HD video streaming and lag-free online gaming. On the 2.4 GHz band, it provides 150 megabits per second for regular web surfing and compatibility with legacy devices. For even faster performance, the Archer T2U Nano supports 256 QAM technology, boosting the 2.4 GHz data rate from 150 megabits per second to 200 megabits per second. That's a 33% improvement, ensuring that your Wi-Fi experience is faster and more efficient. Whether you're at home or on the go, this adapter has you covered. It's travel-sized and supports Wi-Fi roaming, which means your devices can seamlessly switch to the best available Wi-Fi network as you move around. It's a fantastic choice for staying connected while on the move. Last but not least, TP-Link stands behind its products with industry-leading support. You get 24/7 technical support and a 2-year warranty, which is 1 year more than what most networking brands offer. That's peace of mind you can count on. In conclusion, the TP-Link Nano AC600 USB Wi-Fi adapter, or Archer T2U Nano, is proof that good things come in small packages. With its compact size, strong connections, compatibility, and industry-leading support, it's an essential tool for anyone looking to enhance their Wi-Fi experience. If you're tired of Wi-Fi dead zones and slow connections, this little gadget might be your ticket to faster and more reliable internet. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews, and ring that notification bell to stay updated with the latest tech solutions. This has been Product Critique, and we'll catch you in the next video, where we'll continue to explore the world of cutting-edge technology.